What are you going to do now, wizard?
What are you going to do when he turns 18? Come on, Mr. Naylor.
What are you gonna do? Shoot me?
And what are you gonna do when somebody socks you?
And what are we going to do? Get on a bus and start from scratch in another city with an expiration date?
What are you going to do when you're not saving the world?
And what are you gonna do? Go back to your stupid little life in that crusty hellhole? What are we gonna do?
Kill him?
And what are you going to do? You're going to let that happen?
So what are we gonna do? What are you going to do with this eggplant?
What are you going to do about it?
What are you going to do?
I'm gonna find the person who set me up and clear my name.
What are you going to do today?
What are you going to do? Steal it?
We love each other, and what are you going to do about it?
Sorry, what are you going to do now?
What are you going to do?
Madeline.
Well, now that you have me here, what are you going to do with me?
What are you gonna do to me?
What are you going to do now, wizard?
You know what I'm saying? What are you gonna do?
What are you going to do when he turns 18?
What are you going to do in New York?
So what are you going to do about it?
So what? What are you gonna do? Fire me again?
So Johnny, what are you going to do about Vortex?
What are you going to do with it? Take it back?
It's your last day. What are they going to do? Fire you?
Well, what are we gonna do?
So, what are we gonna do for money when we get to New Orleans?
What are you going to do with our picture?
So, what are you going to do?
So what are you going to do with them?
What are we gonna do about Heather?
What are you going to do all day?
I don't know yet.
So what are we gonna do about it?